This is the only photo app that you need on your phone. Let's find it out in this video. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. Today, we're gonna talk about the one and only photo app that you need on your phone. And in this case, as you can see, it is an iPhone. So of course, I'm talking about the Photos app. So this is the standard application for your photos and your videos, of course. And here you can do a lot of stuff, but most of you don't know the potential of this app. So first of all, let's start with the basics. If you scroll up, these are the older photos. If you go down below, these are the newest photo on your phone. This is the default view where you can see your photos, but if you didn't know, you can just zoom out to see all your photos by month, or maybe you can zoom in so you can see your photo from real close, like this, for example. I usually have it like this because I like this layout, but you can always change it. As I said, you can also navigate through days, months, and of course years. And the last tab here down below, it is all photo. So here, of course, you can watch all photos. The next feature, in my opinion, it is very cool. Just go and click these three dots on the top, and then you can click show map right here. So you can find your photos by location. For example, in this last month, I've been in Vienna and Krakow and Katowice also. So I can zoom just here into Vienna and I can click the photos right here. And these are all the photos that I shot in Vienna. Very, very useful. If you go back into places, of course, you can zoom out and just click whatever photo that's been shot in these places. A very basic function that you have on iPhone and especially with the photo app, it is the share button. So for example, I click on this photo, I click on the share button, and then you can find the Apple Magic, so the airdrop function. So right here, I can see my MacBook Pro. But other than that, I've been using also the feature that you can see right here below. You just have to tap on the nearby iPhone and it will share automatically your photo with airdrop. Very, very useful and really convenient if you have, for example, airdrop disabled or maybe just for your contacts. Then let's talk about the info button. For example, I can open this photo right here and then you can see this little info button right here. If I click it, it can recognize what's in the photo. For example, in this case, there is food. You can also look up for food and it will find possibly the same results as shown in the photo. So for example, if I have a pizza, it can just search for other pizzas image. It does recognize also dogs. For example, if I click here, this is the photo of my dog. You can see this little icon became just a little animal. If I click it, it says dog. And if you click it, it will search for similar dog breeds. In this case, for my dog specifically, it doesn't work very well because my dog, it's a pit bull. So sometimes it just recognizes it as a French bulldog. It's not the best at recognizing dog breeds in my case. I think it's because it is all black and maybe there's not too much light in my photos. So this is why. So here, for example, of this dog, it just recognizes as English setter. And here, for example, my dog, it just says it's a French bulldog, but it is not a French bulldog. In this case, it says bull terrier, but it is not a bull terrier. I can assure you that. It's not perfect, of course. And of course, the info button will show also from what camera you have been taking the photo. In this case, for example, it is the main camera of my Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. It will says also the resolution, the size of the photo and all of that stuff and all of the technical stuff right here below. Very, very useful if you are into that. Then we have a search button right here below. If you click it, you can search, for example, dog, and it will show every picture of dogs that you have on your phone. Or maybe I can search for a place like Paris and it will show every picture that I took in Paris. And as you can see right here, you can search for people, pets, places, categories, pretty much anything. And you have also the recently searched tab right down below. Then you have the album tab right here. I don't use very much the album tab, so I have just random albums, but you can use it, of course, for the favorite photos or whatever you want. It's just to give some order into your photo library. And to just add every photo in your favorite library, for example, you can just click on the photo and then you can just press the heart button right down below. this little heart right here, and then it will go right into your favorite album. Then I don't have it right here, but if you have some duplicate photos, you will have a duplicate album where it will show you every duplicate picture, so you can just merge both the picture, or maybe you can just delete one of those without wasting any useless space on your phone. Then right here down below you will find also a hidden album where you can just hide your photo, and it's protected by your Face ID. So you will just unlock this album with your Face ID, and to hide any photo you can just click on the three dots right here and then click hide on the photo, and then you will find it into the hidden album. Another very good feature that you can find on this Photos app, it is the editing feature. For example, I can take this photo and then I can click on edit right here. You will find every tool, every adjustment tool to just retouch your photo here and there. I mean, it's not perfect, it's not full of tools to edit the photo, but you have the basics to do pretty much everything for a real good correction on your photo. And then of course you can just press the arrow button and that's it. It's always an option. Highlights, shadows, contrast, and pretty much everything that you can find in every photo editing app. But it's very cool that you have it already in this app. It's already here and you don't have to download any other additional app. You can use also some filters that are here just by default if you like them. Maybe for a photo like this, you can use a vivid filter, for example. Of course, you can crop your photos however you want, but the most important thing that you can do on the photo app, it is using the live mode, because when you shoot a photo on your iPhone, you can enable the live mode. I have it always enabled. So when you take a photo, it does always a small video. And so this is the small video. So you can reframe your photo. And as you can see, if I select another keyframe right here, it says make key photo. So if I click on the button, it will select this frame as the key photo. And then I can also edit this new key photo. Very useful in my opinion. So maybe if you took a photo and it's like blurred or anything, you can just click on edit, you can go onto live mode and then select whatever frame you wanted. And then just click on the make key photo. And that's it. You click done and you have a new photo. Also, once you have done any edit in a photo like this, for example, I have just pressed the auto edit button and I'm gonna click done. For example, it is just edited. And then if I click on the three buttons right here, I can copy edits and then maybe I can paste it on other photos. For example, if I want this photo look the same as the before photo, I can just click on the three dots and then I can paste edits. Very easy. So in my opinion, this is a powerful tool to have and very convenient if you have to post like multiple photos and you want the same edits through all the photos, of course. Then you have the For You section where you have some videos and photos mixed together with some music, and they are mixed automatically by Apple and by the photo app. If you click on an album like this, it will play automatically. It's a reel of photos and videos mixed together with some music. So it is all done automatically to remember maybe some memories, for example, some good places, or in this case, some pets or anything similar. Another very useful feature, it is copying tests from a photo. For example, I can open this ticket, for example, and I can copy this, or I can copy like this, and anything that you can see on this photo, I can copy it and maybe paste it whatever I want. Very useful if you have to copy some text from a photo. And lastly, another very great feature that they have introduced with the iOS 17 update, it is the ability to create stickers and also to remove background from subject. For example, I can select this place right here like this, and I can copy it also into a note. For example, I can just paste it like this and I create a sticker. You can also send it, for example, on messaging app or whatever you want. Very easy. Or maybe if you want only to remove the background, this is a very fast tool to have on your photo app. Very convenient actually. So that was the last feature that I had to show you from the photo app on your iPhone. I hope you liked this video. So if you did, just leave a like down below. It's always appreciated. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, just click the red button down below and just subscribe right now. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to know some more stuff about the photo app on your iPhone. And as always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.